Hey guys, Joseph here. Today we're doing another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your sticky windows. I'm going to show you an example of a sticky window. Let's get down, but on this works on entirely any car. But in our case we're doing it on the Saab 95, but it'll work on any car. Let's get down to the car right now. Right guys, this is the sound of a sticking window. Just push down on there. You can hear it struggling. Now we're going to go down the parts store and get some lubricant. Let's get down to the parts store right now. Right guys, first, obviously I'll be showing you on the front passenger door, but this works on any car, so obviously the requirements to fix your sticking window. It sticks. I'm just gonna move. Right, the stuff you're going to need is, guys, take my head a minute. Here's some lubricant, a silicone lubricant, 3-in-1. You can use any WD-40, but it's a 3-in-1. I will link something like that in the description. This lubricant and a towel. So let's get started. Right guys, first you're going to have to obviously start it. No, not start it, just turn the ignition on. Whatever car you have. Usually your key will be on the steering wheel, but in my case it's in the middle. And obviously drop your window down, because this needs a sticking. Listen. Now this video could help you with that problem you were getting. So yeah, you can just take the key out for a minute. So guys, I'm going to tell you what you need your towel for. This is to protect your interior. Shut lock button never got in the way. So guys, get this towel just so it's covering. But make sure you have the provided space. And you don't want it on your paintwork either. I'm going to start with this little channel first. Then you're going to do all this channel, and then the channel goes up here. So now, let's get your lubricant bottle. It's a 3-in-1 lubricant. I'm just putting it on top of my bin. You need this little stick. It's just to be held on by a little bit of tape. It doesn't matter if you're doing it on like the front door, driver's door, rear left, rear right. Doesn't matter. You might move manual windows. It's more need the electric. So now on the end, get you on the end. You don't this on your hands. You really wish, I'd recommend you wear gloves. But for the sake of this video, I'm not. For the minute, I'm just gonna put it sticky on my head. A minute, I was gonna pause. Yes, get your little stick and put it in. There you go. Yeah, you're going to go over to your door. And now, make sure the towel's covering the interior bits. Not too bad with the bodywork. Spray down. Now, make sure you got some space. I've got it on me as well. Don't worry, guys. Then get a towel just so it's covering. Don't you make a mess all on myself. Guys, you want to do that? Oh, that's what I just done. Don't you make a mess. No, I don't. You don't insist on your body work. Pause, just lost some stick. Just gonna pause a minute. Right guys, I'm finally back. Now I've got the stick back on. Help lead it. Made a ton of mess. It keeps happening. Not lubricated. Make sure. After you completed the job, wipe the channels. Wipe all the bodies. You don't listen to your paintwork. Trust me, you don't. I know paintwork. So I think I got a bit on the bonnet, so I'm just getting it all off. You don't listen resting on your paint. It's not good for your paint. I'm just wipe the whole door. Just. There you go. Moment of truth. Right guys, the moment of truth. What you've all been waiting for. Don't sound good. It's working. That don't look good. It's a bit better, I think. If you're not perfectly happy, I'll tell you a bit. I think I'm just going to fix this a minute. I'm just going to spray a bit more in that channel up there and then we'll see if it improves it. Yeah, I made sure this time it was pointing up. Now see if it does anything better. Not bad, it's better. Sounds a lot better. Listen to this one. They're all stuck. I'll give you a time lapse of me doing all the rest of them. I will be doing all the rest in the time lapse. So let's get round to all the other windows right now. Right guys, I've done the rear one. So guys, let's listen to this one. It's in the front one. I'll sort that out further. Yeah, I may have to spray more on the channels of that one, that front door. But, gives you an idea. You really work hard, you do better. To do the other side, I might have to turn the car around. You'll have to turn the car around to do the other side. Try and turn it around now. Right guys, we've had a major improvement to the windows overnight. So we'll show you this morning. So right guys, listen to the windows now. Ignore that noise, so listen now. That's better. I've done all these windows off cameras and that rear one. Never let the motor strain on the windows either. I'll talk all about bad things to do with your windows in the next video. Listen to them all. Sound cool. That is an improvement. And windows have improved a lot. So that sticking noise I'm going to show you, that is the window unsealing, so that's fine. That is real improved. So all the lubricant soaked in them windows overnight. So guys, that is another improvement to our Saab 95. Don't worry, that sticking noise is normal. This has done that since brand new. So guys, when it sticks, well guys, I knew the previous owner to this car. So, yeah, so the previous owner to this Saab, I knew him, and when I drove this and it was 6 months old. So if you're wondering where I was, I weren't alive then, I weren't born. Because this Saab was built in 2003. Yeah, but Granddad drove this car in 2003 when it was built. So Granddad's known this car all its life. I didn't know. So right guys, that ends off this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell and give this video a like. Right guys, we're going to end off this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell and give this video a like.